Rest in peace. Yan ang banat ng tinaguriang assassin ng bansang Amerika na si Curtis Stevens bago niya makaharap ang pambato ng Kazakhstan at nooy may hawak ng IBO at WBA middleweight title na si Gennady Golovkin o mas kilala sa alias na Triple G noong taong 2013. Samot-saring pantatrash talk at pakulo na talaga namang below the belt kung tutuusin. Para lang inisin ng gusto itong si Triple G.
Abel was not the one getting in there, folks. I want you to understand that. I believe Abel was writing checks that Gennady's ass can't cash. And come Saturday, I'm gonna Gennady up.
Biruin nyo ba naman mga brad, hindi pa man nag-uumpisa ang kanilang laban, ay tila ba pinaglalamayan na itong si Golovkin dahil sa mga pinagpopopost nitong hambog na si Stevens sa kanyang mga social media accounts. Samot-saring narawan na may nakasulat na rest in peace. Karugtong ang pangalang Gennady Golovkin sa DIY na lapida. At bukod dyan mga brad, kahit nga sa mismong gabi ng kanilang laban, ay hindi pa rin nagpaawat itong si Stevens sa kanyang kayabangan. Sapagkat harap-harapan itong sinenyasan si Golovkin, nagigilitan niya daw ito ng leeg.
Prepare to die!
Kumbaga mga brad, sure win na diretso morgue si Triple G pagkatapos ng laban. Kung mapapansin nyo, to the highest level at nag-uumapaw ang kumpiyansa ng kumag na to. Paano ba naman, sa kanyang huling 4 na laban, tatlo dito ay tinapos niya sa loob lamang ng first round.
Nice and composed. He knows he's got a 10 rounds of work with.
We talked about that last greatly. It's over right there. Are they going to continue with this fight? They are.
He's a finisher. He's a finisher. Stevens
is going after him now. Ayala in trouble. Gets the first. And Stevens has him down again. It is over now. That is Stevens going to town. Lamont back against the ropes. Lamont in trouble early. Stevens trying to hook the legs. Lamont is staggering. Somehow he's Stevens, but Lamont is still down. Now he's down. The left got him and he goes down.
Looks like he's starting to.
It's over. Stevens is knocked out.
Pero kung ikukumpara ang record niya sa kartada ni Golovkin, ay underdog po itong si Stevens sapagkat bukod po kasi sa undefeated na record na 27 wins, 24 knockouts, ay galing po itong si Triple G sa 14 na sunod-sunod na knockout win. Kaya naman kumpara kay Stevens na may kartadang 25 wins, 18 knockouts at may 3 talo, ay isang napakalaking pagkakamali na maliitin ang bagsik ng isang Gennady Golovkin.
Instructions and there's the body shot. Oh, that is the end of that.
Finish him! Fatality!
At eto na nga mga brad, ating balikan kung papaano tinuruan ng leksyon ni Golovkin ang mayabang na si Curtis Stevens.
shots in this round. Now Golovkin with the body shot on the right. Cross and momentarily hurt Stevens. Good comeback uppercut. The right crook and the left hook. Golovkin tried. Real fight as we get within. Stevens has listened to his trainer, who told him stay in the middle of the ring. But now Golovkin backs.
They're saying it's not a good place for you. This is the corner where Golovkin has.
Golovkin's done up here and there from Steve.
For Golovkin, though, he doesn't really have to see this
Go ahead, what's the issue?
And the fans appreciate that kind of risk.
power shots.
Curtis is throwing punches and backing him up. You want to see that from him. Concussion. Golovkin's the guy who knocked him down, but he's submitting right now. And physically, Golovkin's as far as beating him on the physical abuse.
Yeah, but Stevens has
Chin tuck well, even if he doesn't know his head.
breaking him down now, Jim.
Yeah, it looks like if we get a knockout by Golovkin, it's going to be the submission of Will Goliath.
I see Curtis breaking down physically.
Tremendous left-hand body, some brutal abuse here in the 8th round. Still,
Incipient beatdown in
and just a little bit here. Landed a left shot off the ropes. Harvey Dock watching. Let's drop this one.
Dangerous fight right now for Stevens because he's throwing back just enough to stop the ref from stopping it.
big right cross by Golovkin. Whipping Curtis Stevens into the corner.
That's a great stoppage.
Andre Rozier had seen enough.
That's a great stoppage because the temptation with a guy who hits like Stevens.
Absolutely right. That face tells you